All right, this is Unit 5, Lesson 7, Problems 1, 2, and 3. So for these problems, we're talking about volume, right? And in this lesson, we have been talking about, you can take the old volume, multiply it by the scale factor cubed, and that's going to give us the new volume. So this question, these three questions are asking us to figure out what the scale factor is if our original volume, our old volume, was 8, and our new volumes were 216, 1, and 1000. So we're working backwards to figure out what our scale factor is. So for each of these problems, instead of doing the old volume times k cubed equals the new volume, we're going to do the opposite of this. We're going to start out by doing the new volume divided by the old volume, and that result is going to give us our scale factor cubed. And then in this lesson, we've been talking about how we can undo a cube by using a cube root, and so we can do the cubed root of our k cubed, and that's going to give us our scale factor k. So new volume divided by the old volume, and then we'll take the cubed root, and we're going to do that same process for each of these three problems. So on number 1, our new volume is 216. Our old volume was 8, right? That was the original volume. If I do 216 divided by 8, I get 64. Now remember that 64 is k cubed. So now I need to do the cubed root of 64 to get my scale factor of 4, right? So on number 1, we should have a scale factor of 4. That means that if I did 8 times 4 to the third power, I would get 216 as the result. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing on number 2. On number 2, our original volume is still 8. Our new volume was 1, so I'm going to do 1 divided by 8, right? Which is going to give me the fraction 1/8. When I do the cubed root of 1/8, the cubed root of 1/8 is going to give me 1/2, or 0.25, right? So on number 2, our scale factor, k, should be 1/2, or 0.5. All right, number 3, we have our new volume at 1000. So I'm going to do 1000 divided by our original volume of 8. When we do 1000 divided by 8, I get 125. So then I need to do the cubed root of 125. The cubed root of 125 is 5. And so on number 3, we should get our scale factor of 5.